Come here. Got him. Oh. That's a good one. That's a good one, boys. Whew. Well, I got them all packed up, guys. So, I'll show them to you when we get to the truck. Right now, I got about 3.5 miles to cover, and rain's coming. So, I'll see you guys in a little bit, and I'll show them to you. Shoo! There he is, boys and girls. Look at those hooks, man. Supposedly, I haven't measured them, but supposedly 1.5 inches. That's what they got on those hooks. Turkey hunting in Florida has always been difficult, but this season posed some unique challenges. Going from private property or limited entry hunts to a walk-on WMA was far more challenging than I expected. These pressured birds just seem to have a different demeanor about them. But it was also one of the most rewarding hunts I have ever been on, making my passion for chasing these birds even stronger.